Deleting a Solflare wallet involves removing the app from your device or browser extension. However, it's important to understand that deleting the wallet from your device does not delete the wallet itself. Your assets remain secure as long as you have the recovery phrase. Here's how to delete your Solflare wallet. Back up your recovery phrase. Before deleting your wallet, ensure you have securely written down your 12-word recovery phrase. This is crucial to restore your wallet and assets if needed in the future. Store the seed phrase offline in a safe location, such as a hardware wallet or physical notebook. Delete the Solflare wallet from your device. Mobile devices. Open your device's settings. Go to Apps or Applications. Find Solflare in the list and tap on it. Select Uninstall or Delete. Browser extension. Open your browser. Go to the Extensions menu and find Solflare. Click the Remove button to delete the extension. Reinstall if needed. If you want to restore the wallet, simply reinstall the Solflare app or browser extension and use your recovery phrase to restore access.